In this video, we will see how to get a discount in the monthly plans of Fliki AI, which is an amazing AI tool to make videos from text. It also has a lot of other features, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and follow along with me. This is the Fliki's landing page. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking either on Start for free or Sign up. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. After logging in, you can see all the tools that Fliki offers. You can even convert PPTs and tweets into videos, and you can check out the other tools available on your own. Click here on Upgrade on top. You can see we have two pricing plans. You can compare the benefits provided by each plan and select any one. On the left, if you select yearly, you will get a 25% discount on the yearly plans. To get a discount on the monthly plans, select monthly, select any plan and click subscribe now. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, we have the option to enter a promotion code. Click on it and type Fliki AI 10 and click apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount on the monthly plan. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that allows you to make videos from text prompts, then check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.